Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where can you delete your account in the Amazon Prime Video application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it. Once you have done that, you should once again look at the top of your right corner and you will find there the settings. Press on it. And now you should scroll down a little bit and you will find here the My Account option. Press on that as well. And here you should select the second option, which is Delete Account. Now you should wait a little bit, and the first thing that pops up is please read this carefully. Now in my opinion you should indeed read this carefully, because if you want to delete your account or close it, you won't be able to access products and services associated with your closed account. So this also includes other Amazon applications, such as the basic Amazon one, the AWS, the Amazon Seller Central, the Amazon Business, and the others basically on this list. If you still want to proceed, you can just scroll down and choose a reason why. For example, I have another account, and after that you have to check in this box here, yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. And after that all you have to do is just press close my account and your account will be closed. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.